Before sleep stretching exercises to lose fat. Let's do the exercises. Exercise number 1, bent knee lying twist. Instructions: lie on your back with bent knees and feet flat on the floor. Extend your arms out to the sides for stability. Gently lower both knees to one side, keeping your shoulders on the ground. Hold the stretch for 15 to 30 seconds, feeling a gentle twist in your spine. Return to the starting position and repeat on the other side. This exercise promotes spinal flexibility, alleviates tension, and engages the core, supporting fat loss in the abdominal region by targeting the oblique muscles. Exercise number 2, cocoons. Instructions: lie on your back, knees bent, and arms extended above your head. In a fluid motion, bring your knees to your chest while wrapping your arms around them, resembling a cocoon. Hold the position for 15 to 30 seconds, feeling a stretch in your lower back and hips. Release and repeat. Cocoons enhance flexibility, aid in digestion by massaging the internal organs, and contribute to fat loss around the midsection by engaging the abdominal muscles. Exercise number 3, crunch and clap. Instructions: lie on your back with knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Perform a traditional crunch by lifting your upper body toward your knees. At the top of the crunch, clap your hands together. Slowly lower back down and repeat. This exercise targets the upper and lower abs. Promotes calorie burn, and supports fat loss in the abdominal area by strengthening the core muscles. Exercise number 4, lying straight leg raise. Instructions: lie on your back with legs straight. Lift your legs toward the ceiling, keeping them straight, and then lower them back down without letting them touch the floor. Repeat this movement, engaging your lower abdominal muscles. This exercise strengthens the lower abs, supports core stability, and aids in fat loss around the lower belly by targeting specific muscle groups. Exercise number 5, oblique crunch with leg lift. Right. Instructions: lie on your back with knees bent. Lift your right leg and bring your right hand behind your head. Perform a crunch while bringing your right elbow toward your lifted knee. This targets the oblique muscles and engages the core. It enhances waistline definition, contributing to a more sculpted appearance and supporting fat loss in the abdominal region. Exercise number 6, reach through. Instructions: lie on your back with legs extended and arms reaching overhead. In a controlled motion, lift your upper body and reach through your legs, aiming towards your toes. Feel a stretch in your entire body. Hold for 15 to 30 seconds, then return to the starting position. This exercise promotes overall flexibility, relaxes the body, and supports the fat-burning process during sleep by encouraging a relaxed state.